Hello and welcome to week 2 of my technical bakes. This week it's Viennese Whirls. Yeah! Buttery biscuit with buttercream and jam in the middle. And the bakers had to make 12 of these in an hour and a half. So that's what I've got to do this afternoon. But before that, I bought some utensils. Some bake-off utensils. Look at these, look at these, look at these, look at these. So we've got a, on your marks, get set, bake! Spatula, and a great bake spoon, another spatula, Star Baker. My ingredient list method on my phone today, because I couldn't print anything. So let's get down to it, let's get the ingredients. So, our ingredients are 200 grams of raspberries and 250 grams of jam sugar for the jam that we're going to make. For the actual biscuits, we have got 225 grams of flour, just plain flour, 250 grams of very soft butter, 25 grams of corn flour and 50 grams of icing sugar. For the buttercream, you're going to need 100 grams of butter, 250 grams of icing sugar and half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. There are ingredients. I've got my recipe. I've got an hour and a half to do this. So, as Mel and Sue say, on your marks, get set, bake! Firstly, the jam. So we have got, what do they say, place the raspberries in a small saucepan and crush them with a masher. Mash through. Add the sugar. Okay, sugar is melted. Dish. Do you stir it? I have no idea if you stir it or not. I'm stirring it. You live and learn, don't you? We'll find out if this is the right way to do it. Increase the heat, boil for 4 minutes. It's looking quite good. That looks really nice. Okay, so that's my jam on a tray. Just leave that to cool and chill. For the biscuits, it says butter and icing sugar into the bowl and beat well until pale and fluffy. In. Beat well. Well, I know that this is going to take a long time, so I bought something the other day that's going to help me immensely. Beat together until pale and fluffy. Oh my god, it's going everywhere. Okay, sieve in the flour and the corn flour and then mix it again. Now the flour. Very dusty, oh my god. Thank you mixer, I've never got that done. Okay, so this is done. Looks like a kind of the consistency of a wallpaper paste, which I think is what they sell on the show. So, hopefully that's good enough. Right, now we need to draw some circles and pipe it. Okay, so next up, it's draw 24 circles using this and this onto this. Look at my epic drawing. That's not even a circle. That's not a circle. Right, so my circles have been drawn. Pretty shit, I miscalculated. Pipe 24 circles onto here. I've never piped before in my life. This is going to be interesting. Left-handed? I have no idea. Right-handed? Probably a better idea. Well, that's a complete mess, isn't it? getting better. There we go, so there's 24 done. You can tell which ones I made first. Rubbish! Now these to go into the oven, 170 for about 13 to 15 minutes. While they're baking, I'm going to make some buttercream. So I've got 200 grams of icing sugar, 100 grams of butter. Butter's going into the icing sugar. It's been sieved. Now we need our friendly whisk. Okay, so that's done. And what do we did? Bit of a disaster. They kind of lost their shape completely in the oven and just kind of turned into discs. So there's not many with the whirl still on them. That one maybe. That one. Oh well, guess we won't be on the bake off anytime soon. Now I'm gonna get the jam out of the fridge where I put it. Now let's put it all together. I have put my jam into a jar. Look at this. Let's have a quick taste of it. Oh my god, that's sweet. Maybe put a bit too much sugar in. That's actually quite nice. Jam, nailed it. 12 bottoms. Jam's going on that. Jam is on. Now it's time for the buttercream. Now it's time to pipe. Oh, we're halfway there. Oh, I've got a bit left. Don't mind if I do. So there we go. We're a bit dodgy, but no one's going to see them when they're made. Now to put the tops on. This one's already broken. Oh, okay, so that's the bottom one. Oh, okay. They can just rest on top. Okay, I miscount. What? Hang on. How many times? Apparently I can't count. Made 25. Okay, so there we go. Dust with icing sugar. And done. I have to say that the time ran out like 20 minutes ago, so I failed that. I never was good with aesthetics, but they are done. Okay, comparison. So mine's on the left, obviously. Mr. Kipling's on the right. Mine's huge compared to his, although I don't have a swirl on mine, but they're nice and homemade. Right, so everything's done. We've done a comparison. Now I'm just going to do the taste test. There's a lot of cream in there and a lot of sugar, but let's have a taste. Wow, I need a drink after that. That was very sweet. Appearance wise, not the best. Taste wise, very, very nice. In my unique way, I nailed it. So next week, it's bread week. Gonna be baking some bread. Hopefully it's just a loaf. I don't know. I've never baked bread in my life. So something new for me. But until then, bye bye. You looking at me? See what? Yum, 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 yum.